What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Today is the first trip on the side-by-side. We are headed to Sand Lake right now. We got Chad behind the camera, and we're gonna have some fun, so stay tuned. All right, we're just getting some gas, meeting up with some people in Banks. They're sitting right over there. Got a couple guys right over here, side-by-side dirt bike. Not sure what's in the enclosed, but another dirt bike right over there. So fueling up, gonna get some food here at the Thriftway, and we'll be hitting the road and we'll be on our way to Sand Lake.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, we made it. Yeah, hopefully you guys ready to do this? Yeah, no cussing, man. Then I gotta bleep it. You know how hard it is to bleep a word? You gonna be my cameraman today?
It's looking that way.
Well, we made it. Our first ride. Are you pretty excited?
Stoked, man. See him in action. It's the last time it'll be that clean.
I know. Well, at least it's just sand. It's not so bad. Once we go to actually go in the dirt, that's when we're gonna really fuck it up.
Smile for the camera. Cameraman, I don't need to smile.
Everybody wants to see what you look like.
They've seen me. I'm in other videos.
Yeah, we'll put the link right up here above. Where his butt crack makes a debut.
That's all they really need to see anyway.
Those don't even exist.
We'll edit that out.
Oh, you can put that in there. You'd be pulling off.
Yep.
You'd be pulling off and killing it, maybe. I'm glad you come prepared. You got all this shit going on.
I got everything. Almost.
Soon, I mean, eventually I'll get to that point.
Yeah. No, I got tired of like, oh, I need... Oh, fuck, I forgot.
Yeah.
I'm like, all right, load it up. Fucking load it up.
Checking out your bike, man.
You got 2 wheels, don't get too close. It's really dirty.
My nice stock 2019. Then we got a 2016 that's all freaking badass and has all this cool stuff to it. There's aftermarket cage, paddles, re-geared, freaking tune-in exhaust. It's got all these like radio setups and all that cool shit and harnesses. This thing's pretty set up. It's pretty cool. I did one of my first videos I did with side-by-side. This is what actually got me wanting to buy one, because I had so much fun in this one. So I'll put a link down below and right up here. You can check that video out. But this is the one that inspired me to get a side-by-side. So that's pretty cool. And here we are, both together now, gonna be riding, first time together. Try and cut this belly out of there. Don't get the belly. Get me on my good side.
I'm my good side. I gotta do some content.
What did you think of your first experience in the side-by-side?
It's sick.
Pretty sick, right?
Yeah.
What about your 100 millionth time in a side-by-side?
100 millionth time. Side-by-sides are a blast.
That's not awkward, right? But look at the view though.
Fucking nice day.
I feel like it's always like way nice at the beach and shitty in
Yep.
town.
Yeah. My old boss is all in there.
Nice day for the first ride. Took it out for a few minutes. Just letting it cool down for a little bit. Doing a little bit of a heat cycle. I'm really liking this. It's so much fun. It's crazy. Two side-by-sides next to each other for the first time. Definitely looking forward to the UTV takeover. That's going to be a lot of fun. But yeah, just got to learn it. I did a little bit of misshifting and stuff like that, but you know, I'll get used to it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They be quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gon' be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gon' lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gon' lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gon' choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. Be quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. Check, check, check. You know what it is. We going in. Alright, let's do it. Yeah, always did it for myself, not nobody else. I let the music talk, I don't need a show and tell. You making money, so you spend it on a Gucci belt. I'm making money, so I'm building up my future self. I pay tuition, cause I'm living with a double vision. I go to school and make the music, everybody listen. I don't need no clout, not what I've been thinking about. I keep it G, cause I never took the easy route. The way we living got you thinking about the wrong things. Getting likes on your page don't result in real fans that remain for more than one season. You doing all the right things for the wrong reason. Keep your head up if you trying to make it to the top, cause looking down never shows you what the future got. I finally made it out the mud, now I'm settled in, and I kept banging on the door till they let me in. Yeah, self-made, you already know. Let me bring it back. I put myself on the line and I've been getting mine. Always knew that I was great and it's a state of mind. Cause at the moment it's just me, myself and I. If you got your hand out, you looking stupid like your card declined. And everybody wanna talk about me. You think it's funny but you really looking insecure to me. And that's assuring me that you don't really like the way you live. So take your own advice cause you got a lot to give. Let me tell it straight, I don't have the time for a featherweight. I've been in the major leagues, finally time to separate from everybody thinking that we on the same level. I'm running ESPN, all the haters change the channel, no escape. Cause I'm on and it's only gonna grow. People got a lot to say cause they always on their phone. This is real, man, I don't get my happiness from Instagram. And that's good girl cause I heard that she my biggest fan.
It's official until you feel the plastic.
Oh, I forgot. Or I didn't even notice that. And I can't do it with my gloves on. I peeled the one off the front.
I can't see shit. Hold on. Let me get in here. Let me get that close up.
It's that new. I can't even get the fucker off. There we go. Here we go.
Oh, dude. It's supposed to ease it off, bro.
It's not new.
It's not a band-aid.
And here we go. We got it loaded back on the trailer. That's a wrap. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Say bye, guys.
Later.
Oh, bye, Chad. Thanks for filming. Peace out. Thanks for watching.